Hello guys, today I have here this vanity mirror from the brand WEILY. This mirror, I think that it has like different functions. So if we open it, we can see here that it has 21 spot LED lights, like you can see in it on all this part. And it also comes with a touch screen. I think that with this 21 LED lights, it will probably illuminate pretty well. And I like it too much because it is a triple vanity with 3 different magnifications. Here we have the 3x magnification, the 2x, and this one is the 1x or the normal one. And this, it's a smaller mirror. So I think it's pretty cool. I like it too much because it has also the double power supply, and you can close it and you can save it like this, or you can move it. So I think it's pretty cool. It has the base, and you can move this one or put it like this. It's like this, or just like a little bit upper. You can open it and close it. Very simple. So I like it too much. And in the back part, it has here the power and like the on and off switch. So I like it too much. Let's go and try it. Okay guys, so we're going to try the mirror. I see that also with this, it came with this cable. So it's like this, okay? So we're going to put this part in the back, in this place, like that. And I have here mine, and I'm going to put it here and connect it into the wall. So we're going to connect it here. We're going to put it, open it. Okay guys, so we already have it like this, okay? So we're going to turn it on the back part, from this part, and then we're going to turn it on here. Wow, okay. Just one click and it turns on, and then one click and it turns off. Okay, perfect. And okay, yeah, I think it illuminates pretty well. That's the magnification 3x, the 2x, the normal, and this one that it's just like a mini part, but I think it's perfect. So I like it too much.